Hello guys, the Sapphire Mouse here, and welcome back to another episode of Pokemon LeafGreen. Last time, we actually managed to stop Team Rocket from taking over the soap company. Not only that, we also got our last team member here, Lapras. Water Ice type, which actually is pretty good, and I did teach it and learned a few new moves off screen. So in this episode, we are actually going to be getting our next badge. Yay! Battling the leader, Sabrina. And of course, a jerk-ass rival, Gary, beats her before we do. Anyway, and my memory serves me correctly. So yeah, all you're just going to be doing is just like teleporting through these panels to be able to get to Sabrina, which I find really annoying. If I know what I'm doing. I'm so sure I don't play this game much. What's going on here? I don't know. I actually wanted that myself. Actually. Anyway, let's see. Yeah, oh gee. I'm so sure I haven't played this game in a while. Oh no! Oh god. If I don't know what I'm doing, then that's not a good sign. Oh no. Oh, I'm lost! Yeah, but yeah, if you don't know what you're doing like I am, then, what am I doing? Can I please get to Sabrina? Because I would like to defeat her. I know where I am going. Let's see. I would like to get to Sabrina. Thank you very much, game. Let's see. Is it? But why can I not find the right path? God. Oh. Go me. Anyway, let's see. Oh, I did not want to click B. Let's see. Guess I might as well use Magneton. Let's all battle Sabrina together, shall we? Alrighty, let's battle her. I had a vision of your arrival. I have had psychic powers since I was a child. It started with a spoon I carelessly tossed, bent. I dislike battling, but if you wish, I will show you my powers. If you don't like battling, then why are you gym leader then? Oh well. Anyway, she starts with Kadabra with disable side beam recover. Wait, hold on, I'm reading this wrong. Side beam reflect future sight and calm mind. Oops, wrong one. Let's all go level to 46 together. Anyway, the next Pokemon is Mr. Mime with Barrier, Side Beam, Baton Pass, and Calm Mind. Let's all defeat her. Sheesh. Anyway, let's see. And her next Pokemon is Venomoth with Psybeam, Guts, Leech Life, and Supersonic. I thought I was going to be saying Calm Mind, but Venomoth is a bug poison type, which I don't know why she has it on her team if it's not a psychic type. Anyway, her last Pokemon is Alakazam with Psychic, Recover, Future Sight, and Calm Mind. And dagnabbit, I was hoping to sweep a team with just one move. I guess it isn't meant to be, I guess. Anyway, there you go, Sabrina. Let's all battle Sabrina together and defeat her. This loss shocks me, but a loss is a loss. I admit I didn't work hard enough to win. Your victory has earned you the Mosh Badge. Let's all get our 6th badge together. The Mosh Badge makes your Pokemon love... The Mosh Badge makes Pokemon up to level 70 obey you. Stronger Pokemon will become wild, ignoring your orders in battle. Just don't waste your Pokemon too much to avoid that problem. Wait, please take this TM with you. And with that, we get TM for Calm Mind. I was about to say TM of 3. Psychic power isn't something that only a few people have. Everyone has psychic power, people just don't realize it. Okay. Time for my psychic powers. I decided to skip that because I wasn't sure how long it was going to take me to get out of that gym. Anyway, we look at this. We find the fighting dojo, which I guess is a small miniature fighting gym. It is not required, but I'm the karate master. I'm the leader here. You wish to challenge us? Expect no mercy. Anyway, like I said, battling the trainers here, well, these black belts using fighting types, is optional, but I guess it's something I would recommend doing. That if this Hitmonlee apparently this Hitmonlee doesn't want me to defeat it. Anyway, but I do recommend at least battling this place, because you'll actually be rewarded with 2 Pokemon. Well, or like one of 2 Pokemon actually. I guess I'll show after I beat this guy. I wonder who they are. It's not like whatever. Let's all defeat his Hitmonlee and Hitmonchan together. If Venusaur doesn't, well, if Weaselleaf will hit, come on, Venusaur. I know you want to defeat this Hitmonchan. He knows all of the elemental punches, which... Oh, gee, I actually do wonder this for, like, as I grew up, why about the physical special split. Well, beaten. That we get over under $900. Indeed, I have lost, but I beseech you, do not take our emblem or your trophy. In return, I will give you a prize fighting Pokemon. Choose whichever one you like. I will, and if you couldn't tell, your options are 2 Pokemon, the hard-kicking Hitmonlee, or the piston-punching Hitmonchan. And honestly, I couldn't prefer Hitmonchan, to be honest. But again, like I said with Lapras, if you're looking for, if you're having, like, trouble, well, I guess I'll say this while I'm going to the Poke Center. Like I say, if you're having trouble finding your last team member, and if you're not interested in using Lapras, but if you want to use a fighting type, I guess Hitmonlee or Hitmonchan would be a good choice to pick, depending on what you're interested in using. So, again, either one of them is fine. So, I guess after that, let's actually head to Fuchsia, because there's also another thing I would at least recommend doing. Let me see how many Pokeballs I have. 34, 37, Ultra 68. I should hopefully be fine. Hopefully. Let's see. Now, like I say, I did battle all the trainers off screen, because that way I'm not because that way I'm obviously not I need to get some more repels. Anyway, if you can either head south from Fuchsia, or go from Pallet Town to get here. Just like with Zapdos, coming into I can try to read it. See, from just like Zapdos in the power plant, anyway, like I said, I guess with I'm not getting interrupted. Like I say, just like the power plant on getting Zapdos, exploring the Seafoam Island is. I don't have a repel up, do I? Hold on. Yep, I was right. I didn't have a repel up. Go me. But yeah, exploring the Seafoam Islands is optional, but I always recommend doing so, because you never know what you'll find. Okay, oh yeah, I totally forgot about this. Oh, wait, what? Oh, drat. If I know what I'm doing. Well, I guess I was actually quicker than I thought. Which was actually unintentional, but I guess I actually managed to get here without trying. Anyway, in order to get through Seafoam Island, you are required to have strength. Oh, hold on. This is what happens when you have a 9-month-old dog, and it ends up peeing on your carpet. Well, yeah, a 9-10-month-old dog. Even though, well, I guess he's not fully potty trained, so I guess this is to be expected. Anyway, after certain dog of mine taking a piss in my house, in the apartment, or whatever, time to battle this Pokemon. Anyway, the next legendary bird to find is ArticUNO, an ice flying type, with being a pain in my butt. Doggy. Like I say, if I could stop getting interrupted by everything. Anyway, time to try and catch this ArticUNO. Hee hee, if you can not be Michael Jackson. Oh god. I'll risk it. Ah, doggy. Okay, good. Okay, let's see. Archibald! Away! Whee! Like I say, I feel like this is gonna be like every single legendary I'm gonna try to catch throughout the game. Like I say, if it... God! God! And I thought that was gonna take like 20 minutes. But I guess not. But I don't have a repel up, do I? Apparently I don't. God. Why is it that whenever I'm doing stuff, like, on my own, for example, I always end up having an extremely hard time, catching, like, legendaries or something, but when it comes to, like, doing it on screen or something, if I know where I'm going. Oh, okay. But God, when it comes to, like, doing it on screen, like now, for example, or if I'm, like, if I'm doing a Let's Play of it in general, I always end up having an easy time doing it. God. I guess that's what happens when you do a Let's Play of a game like this. You always end up having an easier time doing it. Well, yeah, even though legendaries are normally freaking hard to catch. God, if I know where I'm going, I don't know my way out. Okay, because I know that's gonna lead me to the bottom of the Seafoam Island in the area where I caught ArticUNO. Okay, do I know where I'm going? Okay, I know where I am now. Actually, I want to just make sure. Because there was some because you can always end up missing an item or two. Or not, maybe. I'm too lazy to check. Anyway, after that short, wait, hold on. Oh God, I came out through the same way. Oh God. I was hoping to at least gone a different way, but I guess not. Anyway, I guess I can, show you the path to get to the next area. I guess if you somehow manage to get through the same way, you can actually go through, south from, Future City through, the Seafoam Island if you manage to go through the right way. Well, find the other way to get out into the other tunnel. What is with me and not having these stupid repels on? God. Anyway, you can go through. If you somehow manage to go into the other on the other island, through the other exit on Seafoam Island, you can go through there, or you can go south from Pallet. But yeah, if you actually do need to have a key to get into the gym in order to get your 7th badge. And if I know what I'm doing. Oh yeah, I definitely need to get some more repels off screen. But anyway, let's see. Oh, hold on. Apparently I don't know what I'm doing nowadays when I play these games. Well, when I play Fire Red or LeafGreen. Anyway, I guess I will end it here, I guess, so if my camera's not wanting to blur. Anyway, so next time on Pokemon LeafGreen, we're actually gonna try to get our 7th badge and hopefully go from there, so I'll see you guys then.